need to stay away from, and through this we learn that the place of khushu is the heart, right? And this is what I want to get to. Where is the place of khushu? Where is it? Is it the body or is it the heart? And we learn from these narrations that the place of khushu is the heart. And as for the serenity of the body, then that is a byproduct of your calm, serene, submissive heart. And this is exactly how the scholars have described it in the Arabic language. I'm just translating it for you in the English language, right? Our scholars of fiqh and hadith, this is what they've explained. That mahal al-khushu' al-qalb. The place of khushu' is the qalb. وَيَسْكُنَ الْبَدَنِ. The body ends up becoming serene and submissive and relaxed in its movements, where you prostrate properly, you bow properly, you sit properly, you begin the salah properly. All this is a byproduct of a serene heart. Why? Because it's a heart that knows who it's standing in front of, and who it's worshipping, and who this being is, and how this being is greater than everything anyway. And as a result, the body falls into place. And when we understand this, we see it as not something strange, because we know the Prophet ﷺ said, "Ala inna lil jasadi mudghah." Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, indeed, there's nothing about the body except a piece of flesh. One piece of flesh. If this piece of flesh is correct, the entire body will be correct. وَإِذَا فَسَدَتْ فَسَدَ الْجَسَدُ كُلُّ. But if this piece of flesh becomes corrupt, the entire body will become corrupt. Whatever the body does is the net result of the reality of the heart. And we see this with people who might be misguided and they receive guidance. Or may Allah protect vice versa. That we see a people, for example, they were addicted to music. All of a sudden they can't stand it. Why? When hidayah came to them and guidance came to them, sometimes, I've been working with new Muslims for a long time, and this comes up a lot, where they literally, you might walk into a supermarket and now it's just become natural, it's background noise. But you find them actually being affected by this background noise. They actually feel affected to the extent that they speak about it and tell you about it. And this has happened many an occasion. And I've contemplated this, that the same people, just maybe a few hours ago, a few moments ago, a few months ago, a few weeks ago, technically, they were listening to this with no problem at all. What's changed? They have the same ears, the same eardrum. We haven't upgraded the system or the hardware or the software. It's the same eardrums, ears, same body. But all of a sudden, something which was the sweetness of the ears has become the bullets that they describe as entering their ears. What's changed? Only one thing's changed. It's the heart. So the place of khushu is the heart, brothers and sisters in Islam. And I highlight this before we go into our 10 ways of